नमस्कार साथियों, आप सभी का आर्यन ऑल एग्जाम नोट्स में मैं रामनेश मिश्र स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज मैंने आप सभी के लिए इंग्लिश से जुड़े 30 महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्नों को लेकर उपस्थित हूं, जो सभी प्रकार की परीक्षाओं के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। तो आइए हम सब इसका अवलोकन करें। और यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन की घंटी दबा दें, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करें, लाइक करें। तो आपका ज्यादा समय न लेते हुए आइए हम अपने वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। प्रश्नों की शुरुआत करने से पहले हम आपको बता दें कि शिक्षक पात्रता परीक्षा में अंग्रेजी, संस्कृत व उर्दू से संबंधित एक विषय करने होते हैं। तो यहाँ हमने आज अंग्रेजी से जुड़े बहुत महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्नों को लिया है, जो शिक्षक पात्रता परीक्षा के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है। तो आइए हम सब इन प्रश्नों का अवलोकन करें। हमारा पहला प्रश्न है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट एक्सप्रेशन। तो यहाँ दिए गए ऑप्शनों में ऑप्शन ए एज चेयरफुल एज ए लार्क, बी एज बिजी एज ए बैट, सी एज कनिंग एज ए डॉग, डी एज हैप्पी एज ए डंकी। तो यहाँ हमारा दिया गया ऑप्शन ए सही है, एज चेयरफुल एज ए लार्क। As cheerful as a lark is a correct expression which means very happy. Question 2. The sentence "This is the house in which I was born" is option A simple sentence, B a compound sentence, C a complex sentence, D a compound complex sentence. Correct answer is C, a complex sentence. The given sentence is a complex sentence as relative pronoun which is used to join two or more simple sentences into a complex sentence. Question 3. Which of the following words is a preposition? Option A beyond, B and, C at, D now. The correct option is A, beyond. Beyond is a preposition, while other words given in options are either conjunctions or adverb. Question 4. Which of the following words is an adverb? Option A apace, B face, C meek, D fury. Here option correct is A, apace. Apace is an adverb which means swiftly or quickly. Question 5. Fill in the blank with suitable pronoun. My son and my daughter are very fond of dash. Option A herself, B each other, C themselves, D himself. Correct option is B, each other. Question 6. Give one word for one who hates mankind. Option A nazist, B fascist, C misanthrope, D sadist. तो यहाँ दिया गया ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, C misanthrope. Misanthrope is a person who dislikes humankind and avoids human society. Question 7. Transform the following sentence into a simple sentence ending with book. Let the book be given. Option A, give me the book. B, give the book. C, please transfer the book. D, can you give the book? Here correct option is B, give the book. Give the book is the correct simple sentence ending with book. Question 8. Fill in the blank to complete the following sentence. The minister are responsible as the chief minister of other state for their work. Option A for, B to, C of, D towards. Correct option is B. 2. To is the correct preposition to be filled in the blank to make the sentence correct. Question 9. Complete the following sentence with correct conjunction. Dash he had not paid his bill. His electricity was cut off. Option A but, B either, C unless, D as. Correct option is D as. As is the correct conjunction to be used here to make the sentence correct and meaningful. Question 10. Choose the correct figure of speech in the following sentence. Death lays his icy hand on kings. Option A metaphor, B personification, C apostrophe, D simile. Here correct option is B personification. Personification is used in the sentence as in the sentence death is being personified. Question 11. The study of population is known as option A ecology, B astronomy, C demography, D genealogy. Here correct option is C demography. Demography is known as the study of population. Question 12. Which of the following sounds is not associated with the sound of bell? Option A chime, B jingle, C ring, D dong. Here correct option is D dong. Dung is not associated with the sound of a bell as it associated with the sound of an empty drum. Question 13. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Are you sorry dash what you have done? Option A with, B for, C by, D over. Correct option is B for. For is the correct preposition to be used in the blank to be make the sentence meaningful. Question 14. Pick out the correct synonyms of the following word. Attenuate. Option A repent, B force, C divide, D make thing. Correct option is D make thin. Attenuate means to make thin or reduce in thickness, so they are synonyms. Question 15. Select the most appropriate preposition to complete the following sentence. Why are you always suspicious dash me? Option A to, B with, C of, D for. Correct option is C of. Suspicious of is used to show somebody's illegal or wrong act show of is the preposition to be used here. Question 16. Choose the correct alternative to complete the following sentence. The headmaster dares to speak to you. Option A wants, B is wanting, C was wanting, D none of these. Here correct option is A wants. Wants is the correct form of verb want which makes the sentence meaningful. Question 17. Whom does Vecino agree to bring with him to Belmont? Option A. Old Gabo, B. Graciano, C. Antonio, D. Jessica. Option correct B. Gretino. Vecino agreed to bring Gracino along with him to Belmont. Question 18. Point out the error in the following incorrect sentence. I can learn poems more easy than speeches. Option A. I can. B. Learn poems. C. More easy. D. Than speeches. Here correct option is C. More easy. More easy is the incorrect part. It should be replaced by more easily. Question 19. Point out the correct word to bring out the meaning in the sentence. Women have always dresses to dash figure clothes. Option A disfigure, B show, C exhibit, D camouflage. Correct option is D camouflage. Camouflage is the correct option. Camouflage means to hide the existence of something undesirable in the context of the sentence. Question 20. What kind of adjective is used in the following sentence? These mangoes are ripe. Option A quantitative, B possessive, C demonstrative, D interrogative. Correct option is C demonstrative. This is a demonstrative adjective which points out the specific mangoes that are ripe. Question 21. Choose the correct word to complete the following sentence. He incited dash seeing the documents. Option A on, B to, C in, D by. Correct option is A on. The word insist is always followed by the preposition on. Question 22. Complete the following. Mine is born according to S.W. Longfellow dash. Option A to die and be buried, B to return to dust, C to be up and doing, D to pray to God. Correct option is C to be up and doing. To be up and doing is the right answer. Question 23. Complete the following sentence by choosing the correct option. No sooner did we go out on the road dash it began to rain heavily. Option A when, B then, C then, D but. Correct option B then. No sooner is used to show that one thing happens immediately after another thing, it is followed by then. Question 24. The correct feminine of Ram is option A Sita, B To, C Evie, D Philly. Correct option is C Evie. The correct feminine gender of Ram is Evie. Ram is a male sheep while Evie is a female sheep. Question 25. Complete the following sentence with the correct option. Dash is the best story. Option A yours, B your, C yours, D yours. Correct option is A, yours. Yours is correct as it refers to the story associated with the person that the speaker is addressing. Question 26. Choose the correct figure of speech in the following sentence. Her mother too upon this association felt a pleasing distress. Option A personification, B oxymoron, C hyperbole, D simile. Correct option is B oxymoron. An oxymoron is a figure of speech in which two seemingly contradictory terms appear side by side. Pleasing and distress are both antonyms in the sentence. Question 27. Choose the word opposite in the meaning to the given word. Frailty. Option A emaciation, B strength, C health, D boldness. Correct option is B strength. Friendly means the condition of being weak and delicate, so strength would be its correct antonyms. Question 28. Didactic poetry means option A poetry which inspires, B poetry which pleases, C poetry which teaches, D poetry which informs. Correct option C poetry which teaches. Question 29. Point out the word that has been wrongly used in the sentence. If you lost your passport in a foreign country, it will affect you badly. Option A loss, B effect, C badly, D foreign. Correct option is B effect. Effect is wrongly used. Affect meaning to influence or make a difference to something would be used in its place. And last question 30. Poetry teaching should be basically a process of option A sadness, B joy, C cry, D anger. Correct option B joy. Poetry teaching should be basically a means of giving joy or aesthetic pleasure to students to cultivate the sense of beauty in language. दोस्तों, आज आप सभी ने सारे प्रश्नों को देखा। हमने आज आप सभी के लिए 2 प्रश्न भी दिए हैं, उसे आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताएं। और यदि हमारे द्वारा बनाई गई वीडियो आपको अच्छी लग रही है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन की घंटी दबा दें, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करें, लाइक करें। हमारा पहला प्रश्न है, गिव वन वर्ड फॉर वन हु हेट्स मैनकाइंड। एंड क्वेश्चन 2, पिक आउट द करेक्ट सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एटीट्यूड। दोस्तों, शीघ्र ही हम आप सभी के लिए एक नए वीडियो के साथ उपस्थित होंगे। अपने परीक्षा की तैयारी करते रहिए। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।